came to our lives. It's the result of our hard work, determination, and self-belief. When we attain our dreams, we feel an overwhelming sense of fulfillment and confidence that we've accomplished something truly remarkable. Okay, next, Miss Evangelista. Arjun, narinig talaga. Ako hindi naman. Tapuan ka na naman. Salamat, galing mo talaga. Gusto ko talaga magturo balang araw.
But some dreams end even before they begin.
Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Taret.
My son and your daughter will be forced to marry.
Pero gusto ba yun ni Marjorie?
She will obey. It's for her own good.
Why are you marrying someone else?
I don't have a choice, Eliza. It's my parents' decision.
Then you're a coward. Love isn't force.
Habang ikaw ay naririto sa dibdib, paglalaban
We are gathered here today for the civil marriage of Daniel Correa and Marjorie. Daniel Correa, really take Marjorie Bascon as your wife? Yes.
Do you, Marjorie Bascon,
Really take Daniel Correa as your husband?
Yes.
kukulang. Hanggang kailan kita mamahalin? Tanong ng puso ngayon'y naninindim. Habang ikaw ay naririto sa dibdib, paglalaban ko
Two signatures. One promise neither of them wanted.
Maghirap at masakit, ako'y handang magtiis hanggang di kita lubusang maintindihan.
Daniel, can we talk?
Stop talking. I never wanted this. You're just nothing to me.
Daniel, can we talk? Daniel!
Stop bothering me.
At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang
Marjorie! Marjorie! What happened to you? You look so tired. It hurts me, Zara. I thought marriage was supposed to be happy, but look what happened to me. To my face. You have to speak up, Marjorie. You deserve peace. Go to police. I'll help you.
kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang
What's the problem? Tell us everything.
He hits me. He shouts at me. I can't live like that anymore.
No one should. We'll take actions. Let's go, everyone. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why did you call the police? You regret this. Hey, I did nothing wrong. You have the right to remain silent and it will certain belief against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed you. Mr. Padilla, you are under arrest. Marjorie, anak, patawarin mo ako.
I just wanted to study, to live freely.
You will, anak, starting today.
pang manating ang isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala, ako'y lilipad at ang lahat makakakita.
She once lost her freedom, but found her strength again. No one should be forced to love. No one should be forced to marry.